Welcome to the comprehensive ERP course. Let's explore the world of enterprise resource planning. ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, is a powerful tool that integrates various essential business functions into a single, efficient platform. It encompasses areas such as finance, human resources, inventory management, procurement, and more. By centralizing these functions, ERP systems streamline processes, improve data accuracy, and enhance overall productivity. This integration allows for real-time data access and better decision-making across the organization. Whether it's managing payroll, tracking inventory levels, or handling procurement, ERP systems provide a comprehensive solution to meet the diverse needs of modern businesses. ERP systems provide a centralized database, offering real-time access to data and integrating core business processes to enhance operational efficiency. These systems streamline various functions such as finance, human resources, supply chain management, and customer relationship management. By consolidating information into a single source, ERP systems eliminate data silos, reduce redundancy, and improve decision-making. Employees can easily access up-to-date information, collaborate more effectively, and respond swiftly to changing business needs. This leads to increased productivity, better resource management, and ultimately, a more agile and competitive organization. ERP systems drive better efficiency, visibility, and customer service while ensuring compliance with industry regulations. However, implementing ERP can pose challenges such as high costs, complex change management, and data migration issues. Leading ERP solutions include SAP, Oracle, NetSuite, and Microsoft Dynamics, each offering distinct advantages. Implementing ERP successfully requires a thorough plan, data migration strategies, and continuous testing to ensure a smooth rollout. First, it's crucial to define clear objectives and goals for the ERP system. Next, involve key stakeholders from different departments to gather requirements and ensure alignment. Data migration should be meticulously planned to avoid any loss or corruption. Continuous testing and training are essential to address any issues early and to ensure that employees are comfortable with the new system. Finally, monitor the implementation closely and be ready to make adjustments as needed. With ERP, your organization can streamline processes, make informed decisions, and grow sustainably. Ready to transform your business? Enroll in our ERP course today to become an expert in enterprise resource planning. In this chapter, we will delve deeper into the advanced features of ERP systems, exploring how they can be customized to meet specific business needs. ERP systems are not one-size-fits-all solutions. They offer a range of advanced features such as artificial intelligence integration, machine learning capabilities, and advanced data analytics. These features allow businesses to gain deeper insights, automate repetitive tasks, and make more informed decisions. Additionally, we will discuss the latest trends in ERP technology and how they are shaping the future of enterprise resource planning. From cloud-based solutions to mobile ERP, the landscape is continuously evolving. Understanding these trends will help businesses stay ahead of the curve and leverage their ERP systems to their fullest potential. In this chapter, we will look at case studies of successful ERP implementations across various industries. By examining real-world examples, we will gain valuable insights into the strategies used, the challenges faced, and the outcomes achieved. We'll explore how a leading manufacturing company streamlined its operations, reduced costs, and improved efficiency through a well-planned ERP implementation. Next, we'll dive into the retail sector to see how a major retailer enhanced its inventory management and customer service, ultimately boosting sales and customer satisfaction. Finally, we'll look at a healthcare provider that leveraged ERP to integrate various functions, ensuring better patient care and compliance with regulations. These case studies will highlight the practical benefits of ERP systems and offer inspiration for businesses considering their own ERP journeys. Stay tuned as we uncover these success stories and the lessons they offer. In this chapter, we will provide a comprehensive guide on how to choose the right ERP system for your business. Selecting the ideal ERP system is a critical decision that can significantly impact your company's efficiency and growth. We will cover key factors to consider, such as scalability, integration capabilities, and cost. First, scalability is essential. Your ERP system should be able to grow with your business, accommodating increased data volume and more complex processes as your company expands. Next, consider integration capabilities. The ERP system should seamlessly integrate with your existing software and hardware infrastructure, ensuring smooth data flow and minimal disruption to your operations. Cost is another crucial factor. Beyond the initial purchase price, consider implementation costs, training expenses, and ongoing maintenance fees. It's important to ensure that the system offers a good return on investment. Additionally, think about the user-friendliness of the system. An intuitive interface can reduce training time and increase employee adoption rates. Finally, evaluate the vendor's support and reputation. Reliable customer service and a strong track record can make a significant difference in your ERP experience. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose an ERP system that aligns with your business needs and sets you up for long-term success. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the advanced features and future trends in ERP systems in the next chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss the future of ERP systems. As technology continues to evolve, so too do the capabilities of ERP systems. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are set to revolutionize the way businesses operate and manage their resources. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can automate routine tasks, provide predictive analytics, and offer insights that were previously unattainable. Imagine an ERP system that can forecast demand, optimize supply chains, and even suggest strategic decisions based on real-time data analysis. AI-powered ERP systems can significantly enhance decision-making and operational efficiency. Machine learning, a subset of AI, allows ERP systems to learn from historical data and improve over time. This means that your ERP system can adapt to changing business environments, continuously refining processes like inventory management, customer relationship management, and financial planning. Another exciting development is the integration of the Internet of Things, or IoT, with ERP systems. IoT devices can collect vast amounts of data from various sources, providing a more comprehensive view of business operations. This data can be used to monitor equipment health, track assets, and even predict maintenance needs, leading to reduced downtime and increased productivity. Blockchain technology is also making its way into ERP systems, offering enhanced security and transparency in transactions. With blockchain, businesses can ensure the integrity of their supply chains, reduce fraud, and streamline procurement processes. As we look to the future, it's clear that ERP systems will continue to evolve, driven by these and other emerging technologies. Businesses that embrace these advancements will be better equipped to stay competitive and achieve long-term success. Stay tuned as we explore real-world case studies of successful ERP implementations in the next chapter.